Alright guys, here we go. Looking at the 10-minute chart of Microsoft here. Each candle is 10 minutes of price action. I have about 6 more minutes left on this candle. Let's go back to the daily and wanted to show that we came up and took out the top of this, double top here today. Well, yesterday we came up, see that wick? We came up, wicked into it, and then closed just under it. Then today actually we gapped up over it and have continued to run. So bottom line, Microsoft is at all-time highs right now, and we're looking for just because of a certain setup here, we're looking for a near-term pullback intraday in order to possibly get a short position put in there. So let's go to the hourly chart. We like to just break it down daily, hourly, 10 minute, 2 minute, and kind of see what we're dealing with. Right here, as you can see, we have this wick that sold off. The current one came up right to, was that 94, 194 even? Oh, 193.97. Okay, almost. And as long as we're making higher highs here, and then with these wicks, it's getting a little bit weaker each time it runs up. So we're going to try to exploit that. Here we go. Now, as you can see, what we do, well, you can't see until I put it up here, but we put our fib here. And you see we came out of this 50% zone, bounced off it, came up. So what we're going to try again here from the recent low. So I'm at a low pivot, high, and then we're pulling back in here. So if we take out, and I'm going to put a blue dash line here for reference. If we take out that 50% level here, that means we didn't make a low, a higher high, higher low, and then go. We just came up, put in a higher high, and then tumbled back over. So we have 4 minutes left in this candle. So we're not going to, plus we're overextended above the 20 as well. So I'm going to put you on pause, and then we'll come back with the price action a little bit closer, and we'll actually start moving here. So we're looking for a, potential, down move on Microsoft into this 20 simple. Well, first we'll hit this low pivot area. What is that? About 150, 192.50, and then wherever the 20 is it's coming up into it, and we're kind of going into it now. So let's see, we still have 3 minutes. Let me get over here on the 2 minute, this red dash line. Man, okay. Be honest with you, right when we got a closer of that 20, I should have got in it on this candle here. But definitely missed second. So you have this little high pivot area over here that was support. Now it went right through it. So let's see if we still got another minute left in this candle. See if we can get a push back up into it, and then a retest up here, then another rollover. Then we'll get in 1,000 share position on margin. Get what I do, I set my trades up on a different app. So I had the computer going, and then I had the my other source going as well, in case the internet goes out, electricity, whatever. I'm not sitting there holding 1,000 share long or short position with no way to get out or whatever. I learned my lesson the hard way a few years back. So we'll take that on margin. Now, okay, now the next candle, we got about 20 seconds. We're expecting a push to the upside. So we, we're going to look for a long position here. Sometimes you got to move on the fly. So if we crush through the push through, if we close at the top of this candle with a nice wick here, let me put one in so you can see it. A little bit higher. I like to see a little bit higher with almost no body. If we push through here, we'll see about taking a long position on Microsoft. 1,000 share on margin. Okay, we didn't do that. Okay, here we go. We're in. Okay, let's see if we can get a run here a little bit. A little oversold push. And then our stop loss will be here. And it'll just be a market sell. If we take out this low here, now we're just watching paint dry right now. Go back to that 10-minute. Yeah, it's a big 10-minute candle, but we're still inside this bullish engulfing candle. So we're still holding inside here, so it's still a little bit bullish there. And then if we start just consolidating sideways here, that'll be a good sign that maybe it's building some support, and then we'll get a pop to the upside. Okay, you got about 20 seconds left in this candle. Okay, one positive thing, we got a low here, then this wick, a higher low there. And here we go. Okay, let's see if we can get a run up to this high pivot from over here. Okay, look at that. Trying to get a surge up to this area. We did close over the 20, so that gives us a little bit more positive feel that we might continue up. Of course, we're selling off right now. Of course, we got a minute, about a minute 30 so on this current candle. We're just going to do a market sell. If we get any type of pump up to this blue dash line, this little high pivot area, we'll just do a market sell here. Okay, just watching paint dry here. Okay, got a little over a minute left in this candle. If it can't move, we'll go ahead and get out here. Because of the count that we had, then we had a bullish engulfing candle, and we were over the 20. And if we don't hit a green candle on the candle we're on now, we'll just go ahead and get out. We got about 40 seconds. Okay, get ready. We're going to get out right. Market sell, market sell. Come on, come on, come on. One more push. Okay, we're out. Okay. All right, we have about 20 seconds left, so let's see if we made the right decision. Not too bad of a move here. And we had to change our plans. We're looking for more downside. That doesn't mean we're not going to get that. But as soon as you see, yeah, it's moving up. We missed $100 more there. But I say it's okay. It's really not. But anyway, at least we pulled a little bit out of this market this morning. Okay, guys. Well, we're starting a new candle here. Thanks so much for being members. Thanks so much for playing along, and we will see you on the charts.